Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. Saint Pius X. Focus. You have made them equal to us. A teacher assigned her students a project to be ready by the end of the month. Everyone started working except one student who wasted his time. All students submitted the project by the due date, but this one handed it in a week later. To everyone's surprise, he got the same marks as many others. In today's gospel, the landowner pays the same wage to all the vineyard workers he had hired at different times of the day. Some workers consider this unfair because they had worked the whole day, whereas others for just 1 hour. But the landlord reminds them that all had agreed to work for 1 denarius. In this parable, Jesus' point is different from what we usually perceive. We are so focused on what is just and fair that we fail to think from the perspective of the less fortunate, outcasts, and sinners who repent. Why did the teacher give good marks to her tardy student? Perhaps because she wanted to encourage him to become a better one. God has compassion for all His children. Entry into His kingdom is not guaranteed by hard work or good behavior, but by His unconditional love and generosity. His goodness and mercy follow us all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Fruit. Let me give what God expects from me and not evaluate my fair reward.